Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about the economics of owning a private equity firm and how private equity firms raise capital, invest in companies, create value, and make money from successful exits. To begin with, a private equity firm does not usually use only its own money to buy companies. Instead, it raises capital from limited partners, often called LPs. These investors may include pension funds, endowments, insurance companies, family offices, and high-net-worth individuals. The investors commit money to a private equity fund, usually for a long period such as 10 to 12 years, because buying, improving, and selling companies takes time. After raising capital, the firm looks for companies to invest in. These companies may be undervalued, underperforming, or capable of growing faster with better management and strategy. Before buying, the private equity team studies the business carefully through due diligence. They check the company's financial statements, market position, customers, risks, debt, cash flow, and growth potential. Then they estimate valuation, negotiate the deal, and structure the investment. Next, the private equity firm works to create value. This is the most important part of the business model. The firm may improve operations, increase revenue, reduce unnecessary costs, strengthen leadership, improve governance, or make add-on acquisitions. The goal is not just to own a company, but to make it more valuable over 3 to 7 years. If the company becomes stronger, more profitable, and more efficient, it can later be sold for a higher price. Then comes the exit stage. A private equity firm earns the biggest return when it sells the investment successfully. The exit can happen through a strategic sale to another company, a secondary sale to another private equity firm, an initial public offering, or a recapitalization. Once the company is sold, the proceeds are returned to the fund after repaying debt and fees. This is where investors receive distributions and the private equity firm can earn performance-based rewards. Now, let's understand how the firm makes money. A private equity firm usually earns money in two main ways. First, it charges management fees, often based on a percentage of committed capital or invested capital. These fees help pay salaries, office costs, research, legal work, and daily operations. Second, the firm can earn carried interest, which is a share of the profits if the fund performs well above a required return level. This is often explained as the 2 and 20 model, meaning a management fee plus a share of investment profits. However, cash flow in private equity is different from many other businesses. In the early years, money usually flows out because the fund is buying companies and paying deal-related costs. Later, if investments are successful, money flows back through exits and distributions to investors. This means patience is very important, because private equity returns often take many years to appear. At the same time, running a private equity firm has significant costs. The biggest cost is usually compensation, including salaries and bonuses for investment professionals. Other costs include deal sourcing, due diligence, travel, marketing, technology, data, legal services, compliance, audits, office expenses, and administration. Since private equity depends heavily on skilled people, talent is one of the most expensive and important resources. After that, profitability depends on several key drivers. The firm must find strong deal flow, buy companies at the right price, improve business performance, control costs, and sell at an attractive valuation. If the firm buys too expensive or fails to improve the company, returns may be weak. But if it buys wisely, executes well, and exits at the right time, the returns can be strong. To measure performance, private equity firms use several key metrics. IRR, or internal rate of return, measures annualized investment performance. MOIC, or multiple on invested capital, shows how many times the original investment has grown. TVPI compares total value to paid-in capital, while DPI measures how much cash has actually been returned to investors. Strong metrics help the firm build trust and raise future funds. However, private equity also has major risks and challenges. Economic downturns can reduce company valuations and make exits difficult. Deal risk, integration problems, regulatory pressure, high competition, management mistakes, and long investment horizons can all affect performance. Also, because private equity investments are illiquid, investors cannot easily take their money out whenever they want. So, the bottom line is that owning a private equity firm can be highly profitable, but it requires patience, skill, discipline, capital relationships, and strong execution. The firm creates value by investing in good businesses, improving them, and exiting at a higher value. Management fees help support operations, while carried interest rewards successful performance. In simple words, great private equity firms build great companies, and great companies create great returns. Success comes from aligning interests with investors, focusing on value creation, delivering returns, and building a strong long-term reputation. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.